It's because of each and every one of you that I can say right now with great confidence, the state of our NASA is strong. One of the highlights of this 2017 budget is a significant increase in the amount of money that we're asking the Congress to approve for aeronautics. So that's for the work that goes on here, whether it's clean aviation, whether it's building X-wing airplanes, all those kinds of things in which Langley is really going to participate. So we thought the appropriate place would be to come here to roll that out. So when we finished our negotiations with the President, with the Office of Management and Budget, then our request was $19 billion. And so that's what I'll be taking to the Congress. Yeah. Mars does matter, and it matters incredibly because it helps us, like every other thing we do, it helps us understand our own planet better. Mars in the solar system is the one planet that we think either had life before, has life now, but definitely can sustain life in the future, because the planetary scientists tell us that Mars once was like Earth. It was very fertile, temperate and everything, and so we want to go there to make sure that we don't make some of the mistakes that were made in Mars's past. So that's one reason. The other reason is from the standpoint of a species, we're innately curious and we're explorers at heart, and so we just want to go because we want to know what's there. The other important part about it is, as I said in my remarks several times, everything that we do on the journey to Mars feeds back to life here on Earth and makes the planet better for many more people. I talked about people having clean drinking water. I talked about people being able to have better quality of life because their air is cleaner and the like. That's all much of it is from technologies that we've developed over time to have astronauts live successfully now for 15 years on the International Space Station, and it's also what we'll need to live and survive on the Martian planet.
Do you think